So family, today I'm making this delicious Jamaican dish, steamed fish. Let's get started. First I'm cleaning the fish with water and lime. Fresh thyme from the garden, which adds a beautiful aroma that really makes this dish more flavorful. If you're enjoying the video so far and want to be a part of this journey, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. Butter to taste different. A little butter adds richness to the sauce. While the fish is cooking, I'm preparing some Jamaican provisions to serve alongside. Now it's time to let the fish soak up all that flavor. Oh, that's so nice. Pepper on top. I like it peppery. I'm gonna let my fish too. Do it my way. There you have it, Jamaican steamed fish, water crackers, and ground provision. The aroma was so great, tasted so delicious. I just thank God for this healthy meal. Big up yourself, everyone. Peace and one love.